Hello everyone, welcome back to DRSSO Tech. In today's video, we are going to learn an important topic in Python programming, variables, keywords, and identifiers. If you are a B.Pharm student and you are learning Python for the first time, don't worry. I will explain these concepts in a simple and pharmacy-related way with easy examples. Dear listeners, before going to the topic Python variables, you should learn about keywords and identifiers in Python programming. So let's get started. What are keywords in Python programming? Keywords are reserved words in Python that have a special meaning to the Python interpreter. They cannot be used as variable names, function names, or other identifiers. What does reserved words mean? Reserved words are words that are already reserved by a programming language for a specific purpose. Dear listeners, in Python, these keywords have a special meaning, so we cannot use them as variable names, function names, or other identifiers. Here you can have a look for some commonly used Python keywords. They are if, else, elif, for, while, break, continue, def, return, class, import, from, try, except, true, false, none, and, or, not, in, is, pass, lambda. Dear listeners, you can have understand by simple example. If equals 10. This is not allowed because if is a Python keyword used for making decisions. But age equals 10. This is allowed because age is not a reserved word. In simple words to understand, keyword is a word kept aside by Python for its own use. Coming to next topic, identifiers. What are identifiers in Python programming? Identifiers are the names given to different elements in a Python program. Identifiers can be used to name 1, variables 2, functions 3, classes 4, objects 5, modules. Dear listeners, you can understand by simple example name equals Anil, age equals 25, defining a function name calculate. Now print hello here. Name is a identifier, age is a identifier, calculate is a identifier. Let us see rules for identifiers 1. An identifier can contain letters, numbers, and underscore 2. It must not start with a number. 3. It cannot contain spaces. 4. It cannot be a Python keyword by reserved word. 5. Python identifiers are case sensitive. Here you can see an example for valid identifiers and invalid identifiers 1. Valid identifiers student underscore name equals Ravi Mux 1 equals 90 underscore total equals 500. So in valid identifiers, you can start with letters, numbers, and underscore 2. Invalid identifiers 1 student equals Ravi cannot start with the number student name equals Ravi. Space not allowed class equals 10. Class is a keyword. Let us an easy example for B. Farm students drug underscore name equals paracetamol dose equals 500 if dose greater than 400. Print high dose here. Drug underscore name is a identifier. Dose is a identifier. If is a keyword, print is a built-in function listeners. This is an easy way to remember keyword equals Python's reserved word identifier equals programmer's chosen name. Dear listeners, up to now you learned about basics related to Python variables, that is keywords and identifiers. Let us learn about our main topic, Python variables. What is a Python variable? A variable in Python is a name used to store a value in the computer's memory. In simple words, variable equals a name given to a data by value so that we can use it later in a program. For example, age equals 20 here. Age is a variable name, 20 is a value stored in the variable equals is an assignment operator, we can use the variable later. Then print age, you will get output equals 20. Now we will see the applications one. Variables are very useful in pharmaceutical calculations and data analysis. Here you can observe different variable examples. Patient underscore age equals 45, body underscore weight equals 60, Point 0.5 drug underscore name equals paracetamol temperature equals 37.2. Here variables are patient underscore age, body underscore weight, drug underscore name. Temperature and values are 45, 60.5, paracetamol 37.22. In Python, a variable is created when we assign a value to it. Dose equals 250 here. We don't need to declare the variable type separately. For example, dose equals 250, dose equals 500. The value of dose changes from 250 to 500. 3. Python allows us to assign values to multiple variables in one statement. Age, weight, dose equals 25, 60, 500. This means age equals 25, weight equals 60, dose equals 504. Python keywords cannot be used as variable names. 5. Variables are useful for storing patient data, drug doses, concentrations, experimental results, temperature, weight, and other pharmaceutical data. Next, we will see what are rules for naming variables. Rule 1. A variable name can contain letters, numbers, and underscore. Example, patient underscore age equals 45. Rule 2. A variable name cannot start with a number. 2DOS equals 500 is incorrect variable DOS. E2 equals 500 is correct variable. Rule 3, spaces are not allowed. Patient age equals 25, it is incorrect variable. Patient underscore age equals 25, it is a correct variable. Rule 4, Python is case sensitive. Dose equals 500, dose equals 250 here. Capital D dose and small d dose are treated as two different variables. Rule 5, keywords cannot be used as variable names. For example, if, for, class, and while are Python keywords. Let us see an example using pharmaceutical calculation. Suppose a tablet contains 500 mg of drug and a patient takes 2 tablets. Dose underscore per underscore tablet equals 500 number underscore of underscore tablets equals 2 total underscore dose equals dose underscore per as in dations for PA dose underscore tablet times number underscore of underscore tablets. Now, if you give a function key to print total underscore dose, then output equals 1000. Therefore, Kim went does it palm therefore has and the total dose is 1000 milligram. This demonstrates how variables can be used to perform pharmaceutical calculations. Dear listeners, till now you learn about variables, its applications and rules along with simple examples. Now you'll have doubt on variable and identifier. The question is, how variable differ from identifier? I will clarify in simple way. Variable. A variable is a named reference used to store a value in Python. Identifier. An identifier is a name used to identify programming elements such as variables, functions, classes, objects, etc. So all variable names are identifiers, but all identifiers are not variables. Just you think of a medicine bottle. Here if you look at the picture, identifier is the label by name on the bottle. Variable is a named container used to hold a value. Value is the actual medicine by data inside it. Dear listeners, in today's video, we learnt about Python variables, keywords and identifiers. I hope this video helped you understand these concepts in a simple and easy way. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to DRSS OTech for more